So, ladies and gentlemen, the Executive Housekeeper of the Year at EHA 2020 goes to Juna Banerjee, ITC, Sonar and Royal Bengal. Thank you so much, Juna, and heartiest congratulations, ma'am.
Namaste, everybody. Greetings from ITC Kolkata. One complex. Happiness is Kolkata, city of joy. Thank you all jury members who, out of so many deserving housekeepers, awarded the honor to ITC Hotels. I am truly grateful and deeply humbled. All of us, the housekeepers, are the unsung heroes. We always diligently and consistently deliver, and all of us actually deserve this honor. I would take this opportunity to thank the senior leadership of ITC Hotels who entrusted their faith in my ability and gave me the opportunity to open one-of-a-kind ITC Royal Bengal, the most beautiful and iconic hotel of ITC, and a landmark now adorning the city skyline of Kolkata. It goes without saying, I accept this award for the entire ITC Hotels housekeeping fraternity, who so generously send all the possible help and support from all. So we have a grand opening of this iconic hotel, ITC Royal Bengal.
She'll come back.
A huge round of applause to my entire housekeeping team of ITC Sonar and ITC Royal Bengal, who diligently worked and helped create the first ever one complex for ITC hotels in India, where ITC Sonar, a little under 20-year hotel, and an ITC Royal Bengal, less than about 20 months old property, bring in two unique experiences to our guests under one roof, but also coexist and work seamlessly.
Juna, can you
Juna,
one
with
moment.
the pandemic.
Juna, can
West
you
Bengal also had to overcome the devastation for Super Cyclone Amphan. That's when I realized the true strength of teamwork, where everyone came to work together, breaking all departmental barriers to save our property before the cyclone, and then work together again to restore over 4.5 acres of our lush green landscape back to its old glory. I could see amazing camaraderie, and the true essence of complexing came out shining. It's well said, difficult times bring out the best in us. I would like to also give a shout out to the entire management team of One Complex, headed by our area manager and Trusted General Manager, Mr. Tejinder Singh, who are currently sitting in the boardroom, probably cheering me up. And the pillar of strength in my life, the two most favorite men, my son Ishan and my husband Arup, who have always believed in me and have encouraged and supported me to chase my dreams and accomplish my goals. Currently, it's early morning in Toronto. Both have woken up early to watch this award show live. Hi guys, thank you for being there for me. And lastly, I would like to thank all my mentors and well-wishers during my entire career. Without your help and guidance, I will not be here. Thank you once again, Dion.
Thank you so much, Juna. Bhuvnesh, if you can unmute.
Oh, she's logged out. She'll log in again. She's just logging in. I must tell you all over here, with the permission of the jury chair, Kachru Sahab, ITC Royal Bengal is one of the biggest ships built. It's a ship. It's a colossus ship. It is huge, right? And it's a very modern product which has been made by this famous general manager of ITC, and now of course AG is there, Atul Bhalla, who's moved to the west, and under Juna are the ITC Royal Bengal and the ITC Sonar. There are almost 700 rooms that this lady manages. Correct me if I'm wrong, Farhat. We can have a bit of a chat till
860 rooms.
Sorry? 860 rooms. Can you imagine?
Wow. Between the
860 rooms. दुनिया के बड़े से बड़े लास वेगास में भी कई होटलों में इतने.
It's literally the largest hotel inventory at one location, one place.
It is,
Yeah.
Mr. Katsu.
And
It is. It's a very complex job, and it's complex itself. I think Juna has got a task cut out for
And-
itself. Pre-opening, setting a new processes and systems and housekeeping standards, and get people to be trained. When you open a new hotel, when you have an existing hotel by the side, even benchmarks are even more difficult. Then.
Yes.
so for
yes.
So
Bharat, imagine the executive housekeeper of the Maurya छोड़ के कौन जाता है कलकत्ता? It's obviously a huge job for Juna.
lives
So,
of Juna are chosen for the challenge. You see?
Yeah.
Yes.
So-
Actually, yes.
Yes, they are
It is
chosen for the challenge.
groundbreaking. It is.
And I,
Yes.
Mr. Kachum, for you.
Yeah, I think first of all, Juna, many congratulations, and don't
Thank you so much, sir.
underestimate what you said, unsung heroes. You are actually somebody the whole country has acknowledged today, and I'm really glad that your son and husband are watching this from Canada. What a proud moment for them to be with you, and I would also like to say hello to them, and they need to be proud of you. I think managing not just such a huge inventory, what it really works. I worked in Calcutta for a short while, about a year or so. I know the issues, the challenges of particularly working in that area, and managing people, managing with excellence, and what stories I heard from some of the jury members who have known you better, and how you saved money on flowers and things like that. It was, and having little plants in the rooms, and very innovative. We are really proud. Congratulations. And as I said earlier, you in your vertical have established new challenges for the people to follow you. Congratulations.
Thank you so
I would
much,
like
sir.
to
Thank you so
add.
much.
Perhaps requesting to kindly unmute yourself.
Bharat, unmute.
And
Thank you.
yeah, thank you, Mr. Kachru. Thank you, Bhuvnesh. It's a great pleasure and an honor to be with you and with this fantastic event. Juna, when we saw your nomination, we were not just impressed, but I think I was amazed at the fact that you set a new benchmark in housekeeping standards. And a benchmark is possibly the right word, because I always have felt when you enter a hotel, you can actually sense who's the housekeeper of this hotel, because housekeeping is such an amazing, such an important task, and truly, I would say from many hotels that I have seen, I think the housekeeping really defines the quality of the hotel. And you've done an amazing job at Sonar, and of course opening this new Royal Bengal, which is a really like a jewel in the crown for the ITC.
Yes, absolutely.
To look at your nomination and the kind of work from hydroponic plants to 20 lakhs of saving in 6 months, and working with that Italian company, what's its name, is Bellinzoni.
Yes,
Yeah, you worked with
yes.
them, and then 0-kilometer radius concept
Yes.
of trying. Yeah, that was a brilliant concept of doing vegetables and herbs, etc. for the chef, and also I think what is the most important thing that the jury felt, and I personally saw it, that entire what you call results in terms of your cleanliness standards were above 90%, and that's very hard to achieve in a large hotel complex like yours. So it speaks about your leadership. It speaks about your eye for detail. It speaks about your fanatic, what you call a sense of cleanliness. You have to be fanatic. You have to be possessed. If a housekeeper is not possessed, you can't achieve those standards. And you lead a team which is so diverse. It's a diverse team always at different levels. So congratulations to you,
Thank you
and
so
to the
much.
entire team at the ITC Sonar, and to your colleagues at the ITC. And you've done ITC Group proud. And I'm sure may this award give you even more wings to fly. And may you have a fantastic career ahead. So rejoice,
so much, sir.
celebrate, and stay safe and well. Congratulations again.
Thank you, Mr. Jamaat.
So,
Thank you so
Juna,
much for the kind words, Bhuvnesh.
Juna, I'll have to say a few words. I can't go away without speaking for Juna. Juna कैसे मैनेज करती है?
पता नहीं हो जाता है. I think it just comes across.
मेरे से भी सब लोग यही पूछ रहे हैं, हो जाता है. So, you know, you reported to two great area general managers,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Atul Bhalla, who's very quiet. वो बहुत शांत है ना?
सब हल्ला नहीं, शांत नहीं है वो भी.
Is it? And now of course Teji शांत नहीं है, but Teji अलग है, right? So, great job. I've seen your work at Monia, but I was told by the jury that your nomination submission was a model submission which should be shared with everybody.
Oh, thank you so much. It's entirely team. My entire team actually worked on it. So I'll be very honest. It was put so well by the entire team. And that's why I said the whole credit goes to my team, because it's two hotels, but all of us work so seamlessly well. And they have actually put in together this presentation for me, which I cannot take the entire credit for. So I'll be honest on that.
So God bless you. Do well.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so much, sir.
congratulations all the way across to Canada.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Much appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Juna.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you
Kachru.
so much.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'd like to once again thank our jury, Farhad Jamal, for joining us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Farhad. Thank you for all your time. I'm grateful to you. Right? You
Thank you.
headed the West jury. You partaken in the national jury, and you've really slogged it out. It's
Thank
been
you,
a joy
Bhuvnesh.
working with you.
No, it's been a pleasure. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Kachru. Hope to see you soon. Thank
See
you.
you soon, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, I'll now request our jury, Mandeep Lamba, President, South Asia HVS Anarok, to kindly join us. Mandeep, on the screen, please.
Thanks, Bhavna. Very good evening, Mr. Kachru. Hi, Bhuvnesh. Good to see you all.
Mandeep. Good to see you, Mandeep.
Pleasure entirely mine.
Thank you so much, Mandeep, for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, with Mandeep also joining us on the screen, now it is time to announce the PR Marcom Manager of the Year. Could we have the winner, AB, please? Ladies and gentlemen, PR Marcom Manager of the Year at EHA 2020 goes to Sangeeta Ghoshal from the Oberoi, New Delhi. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Very good evening.
Hi, good evening, Sangeeta.
Thank you so much. Very good evening to all eminent personalities, Mr. Lamba, Mr. Kachru, Mr. Khanna, hello Bhavna. Thank you so very much for this platform and the recognition. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. Mr.
There are
Kachru,
just two personalities over here, by the way.
Well, they know it right.
Sorry, sir, I didn't get that.
I said there are just two personalities.
Bhuvnesh is just trying to be his modest self, nothing else. Don't take him seriously. None of us do. We know exactly who he is.
I think his Mandeep is modesty
Right, sir.
also at times.
Absolutely, sir.
so could I request jury
Yeah.
chair, Mr. Kachru, please?
Yeah, and we're really happy to really appreciate the great work you have done and recognize
Thank you, sir.
you have actually, while relaunching of the hotel and in terms of actually achieving back not only the positioning it had earlier, you have upped it and communications with your peers and media, all publications, everybody has really been appreciative of the work you have done. I just
Thank you so much, sir.
convey to you on behalf of the jury that you have done a wonderful job and we're really proud of you. Congratulations. And Mandeep would like to say a few words in specific about you.
No, surely I think Mr. Kachru, you already said it all. Sanita, I think the jury was extremely impressed with the relaunch of the hotel and the kind of work that went. And in bringing that iconic property back, there were a lot of expectations while the time the hotel was sort of out of circulation, and just rebuilding and coming back into that market was just awesome. You were head and shoulders above the rest. The PR and communication, the role that you guys do is always a very difficult one. Your job is to make everyone and everything around you look good. And you're always shining light rather than yourself. And I think this is a very well-deserved moment for you where the light must shine on you for a change, as against everybody else that you continuously make look much better at times. So extremely, extremely delighted to be here today as part of the jury and as part of this little panel of people who is felicitating you. It's a real honor. Keep up the great work, Sanita, and all the very best to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Sanita, when you said three personalities, what I meant was, I'm not a hotelier per se, right? So when you are judged by people like the jury chair, Mr. Kachru and Mandeep, they are hoteliers of great stock, right? In their own space, they are legends, right? Mandeep leads HVS Anarok, which is a huge role, right? Is a great organization, right? So it's not easy. So your submission has gone through a lot of grind, right? Lot of grind. So if you have come through that sieve, right? Obviously you're good. But I just have one question.
Yes.
What is it with Oberoi? How do you guys do? How do you make such submissions?
Well, I think Udiksha spoke yesterday.
So I asked
yes. So I think yes. So it's like she said, it's all a team effort. There's a lot of collating of data. There's a lot of collating of numbers. I think something that I ensure in my nomination is that every marketing actually is looked at, or PR and marketing is usually looked at as a cost center. So for me, anytime that I put out a statement over there for the judges and for the jury to really judge me or assess a document, I just feel it's important that it's backed by data, it's backed by stats, it's backed by reports. So, which is what I think I kind of factored that into my nomination, and which is what we usually do. That of course, aesthetics have to be in place, but then the numbers need to speak.
So, which is why I asked you, so that people can hear you on what an ideal application can be. Which is why we asked Udiksha also. So, even submission of a nomination is a Herculean effort and a team effort. Thank you for being here, Sanita.
Absolutely.
Congratulations, do well.
Thank you so much, jury, and many congratulations to BW Hotelier. I think I've been watching all the show since Monday. So I've been logging in. Yes, I've been logging in and I have been watching everything. It's been incredibly put together. The amount of coordination that's happening at the back end, how seamless it seems to people who are watching you. Incredible, effort over there. So beautifully, virtually done. So thank you so very much. Thank you so much, Judy. And last but not the least, for a few of my team members who may be watching and listening in, a big shout out to them as well, and a big thank you to everyone who has been a part of this effort.
Thank you, and congratulations once again.
Do well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'd also like to thank our jury, Mandeep ji. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Just before I have to say this to you, Bhuvnesh, it is day 5. It's coming to an end. You must be a very relieved man, but one I think who must be immensely proud of your achievement. I don't think there is a parallel to what you have pulled off. I don't think there will be a parallel in a hurry. And you know, with the peace, the calm and the quiet at which you do it, the ease with which it all sort of flows through, all hats off to you. And when you have people like Mr. Kachru standing, by and, lending all their support, it's just been magnificent to just watch all this, going through every day after day for 5 days. So before I sign off, a very, very big congratulations to you, kudos to you and all your team, every single member who worked out, not just you,
Ajit and the entire team, Tanvi, Prerna, Raghav, Nitin,
possible.
Everybody.
Personal congratulations to every single person. God bless you all, and I hope you can keep doing this as often as you can.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. I have your support. Please pull it off here.
All the awardees are very best. God bless you. And those who didn't make it, better luck next time. You were there. You were very close. You almost did. So don't lose heart.
And Mandeep, one word for Bhavna.
Bhavna has been the anchor. She's been the sort of sheet anchor to this. It wouldn't have happened without her. She's almost the face of this as much as you are. So kudos to you too, Bhavna. Of course, you very, very well deserved. You carried it out.
We've just registered her as a BW. We've just registered her as a BW ownership.
Okay. Fabulous. Good luck, everyone. All the best.
And thanks for all your support and being there all the long hours.
Always.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mandeep. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'd now like to call our jury, Jaideep Dang, Managing Director, Hotels and Hospitality Group India, JLL, to kindly join us. Jaideep, on the stage, please.
Hi, Jaideep.
Bhuvnesh, thank you very much for inviting me. Good evening, Chairman Mr. Kachru. What a pleasure to see you on screen, off screen, live. Delight. Always a delight.
Thank you. Good to see you. Good to have you here.
Thank you, Mr. Kachru. Hello, Bhavna.
Hi, hello, how are you?
Well, I'm fine, but I see that you're playing a test match and you're only glowing by every day. So you're shining. So Bhuvnesh, this is a fantastic effort. What a great team you have. Lovely.
Well, it's I just happened to clog all the attention. Anyway, so Praveen is there.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're just going now to the Chief Engineer of the Year. Could we have the winner, AV, please? And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we've got 2 winners for Chief Engineer of the Year at EHA 2020. First up, Parveen Kumar, ITC Grand Bharat. Congratulations, Parveen. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, good evening. I'm audible now?
You are, but you're not visible.
Probably there's some problem in my camera. I think its video is not working. But I'll speak.
ये अब तुम्हारे IT वाले को award नहीं मिलेगा.
And secondly, chief engineers should never have this excuse. You do everything right, and that's why you're here.
Yes.
ले लो इसका award. नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Parveen,
जब
please,
प्रवीण ऐसा करते हैं, हम शारिक को खत्म कर देते हैं, तुम अपना को दोबारा लॉग इन करो.
sure, we can do that. We can do that. Parveen? Yes,
Okay,
let's
I'll
do
try
that.
again, sir. I'll
हाँ,
try
दोबारा
again.
लॉग इन करते हैं.
Okay, sir.
शारिक को लेके आओ कुणाल.
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, also the joint winner of Chief Engineer of the Year, Sharik Karshid from Taj Krishna, Hyderabad. Sharik,
Thanks,
congratulations.
First of all, I'm very excited to be here. So allow me to speak. Good evening, respected juries, panelists, all members of BW Hoteliers, and the viewers across the world. I believe across the world. First of all, I'd like to thank God for blessing me one of the most prestigious awards by the BW Hotelier in the hotel industry. I thank my parents, my mom, my dad, my family, my entire family, my wife for the unconditional support.
Very
Basically, the edge of hospitality I learned from my family. So, and all they all are watching from across the country, across the world. As we believe and we say, Atithi Devo Bhava in our country comes from our family. हमारे परिवार से वो सीखने मिलता है. So the foundation of my hospitality is my family. Second, I like to thank the BW Hotelier for the amazing platform. It's a hats-off effort of your all team. Being a technical person, I can imagine the effort of behind the scenes. So it's an amazing platform, though I'm missing the stage and the beautiful trophy. I would like to thank rather than thank, I would like to dedicate this award to my entire Indian Hotel Company Limited, Taj Group, naming for my first boss, Mr. Rajkishore Dhiman, my mentors, Mr. Digvijay Singh, Mr. Satyajit Krishnan, Mr. Ritesh Sharma, Mr. Sarabjit Singh, Mr. Mohan Chandran, Mr. Alok, my entire team of Taj Krishna, HOD team of Taj Krishna, my friends of Taj, my present boss, my general manager of Taj Krishna, Mr. Ian Buer, Mr. Darasbir Singh. Basically, they have provided me open wings to work. They trusted me, they supported me, they guided me unconditionally. So that's why the results are openly shown. Finally, team engineering. As I believe, any chief engineer role is to provide the thoughts, a plan of action, and monitor it. But the delivering part is done by the engineering team. So I like to dedicate this moment to my team. If you are here and if you are watching live, so this award is because of them and for them, for entire Taj and for entire Taj Hotel. Again, thanks for the love and bless from you all. Thank you.
आपको खूब मुबारक हो शारिक और आपकी टीम को जो सब देख रहे हैं आप सबको मुबारक हो.
Thank you.
Wow, this is so brilliant, Sharik. Now I'd request our National Jury Chair, K.V. Kachuri, to say a few words, please.
Kachur sir.
I think it's really brilliant.
Brilliant.
It's really, Bhunesh, brilliant to actually not only do it, exhibit it to people who have stood by you, who are standing by you. You have actually today done something which lots of people must learn, because this is how you create your team. And what I hear about you and what you have done in a hotel which has been established so long back, now maintaining a hotel which is not new, where the machinery is old, and you yet you have to show that as young and fresh. And that's exactly uninterrupted functioning of the hotel. You and your other colleagues are heart of the house, but in that particular heart, you are the artery which actually flows right. If it doesn't flow right, you can't make it. And many congratulations. Jaideep, would you like to add something?
Thank you.
Ji, thank you, Chairman Mr. Kachru. Sharik, I must tell you on behalf of the jury कि हम impress किस तरह हुए. So you see, you've done two things very, very well. One, Chairman Mr. Kachru very rightly pointed out that you were basically running an old ship. What goes behind the engine, only an engineer knows. As a guest, the experience that I get, we all look into the front of house and we all get mesmerized by the lighting and by the air conditioning and everything being prim and proper. But what goes behind the engine, only you guys know. And it is so difficult because I've not seen that hotel in a while, but I've worked with Oberoi Hotels for a very long time. So I know what running these old jewels could mean, and the importance that an engineer could give to these things can make them even better. So that was one very important feature why we thought that you're absolutely relevant for this award. Second, your application was so objective. I think that should be a learning for all other applicants as well. The way you have thanked your team, it was very much showing even in your application. So I would have been very surprised if your team wouldn't have been here, because then it would have been two different things. Your application was absolutely about teamwork, what you could bring on the table, and how your people supported you. I think it was absolutely well deserved. You have done a phenomenal job, and I think you've been with that hotel for 4 years or 5 years.
It's 5 years in 5 years.
5 years in counting. So that means a lot. And plus that city, Chairman Mr. Kachru has also seen a lot of new competition in last 5 years, and you have bigger hotels, perhaps better hotels when it comes from a product perspective. But the way you have managed this and made it relevant even today, I think absolutely well deserved. Well done, Sharik.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Eric. May I request Bhuvnesh?
शारिक, मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया है, मुबारक हो, खूब तरक्की करो. ये वो जयदीप ने इतना बोल दिया है, मेरे लिए भी बोल दिया कि पुराना जहाज है, तो इसके ऊपर काफी काम करना पड़ता है और इंजीनियर की नौकरी आसान नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर आपकी टीम आपके साथ जिस तरह पीछे खड़ी थी, अगर खड़ी है, तो तुम्हारा इंजन कभी नहीं रुकेगा, चलता रहेगा.
Old ships are easy to understand.
So you do well.
Old ships are easy to understand. The new technology, new ships are very difficult to understand.
और सिर्फ एक ही दिक्कत है, तुम्हारे को यहाँ से कहीं भेजेंगे नहीं, तुम यहीं पे रख रहोगे. चलो.
Congratulations.
Thanks for all this.
Bye. Congratulations. Bye.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now on the screen, we'd like to bring Chief Engineer of the Year once again, Parveen Kumar. If you can join us, Parveen.
Yes, sir. Like I've tried, my video is still not working, but I'll continue with audio, sir.
हाँ, चलो, कुछ नहीं, तुम्हारी तस्वीर दिखा देंगे हम बाद में. हाँ जी, बताओ.
So on this platform, like I would like to thank BW Hotelier team, program jury, and ITC Hotels for such a significant appreciation. For me, it's like a dream come true. It became reality only due to the kind of mentoring we get in ITC Hotels, the culture where we get full empowerment to convert company vision into reality. ITC Hotels has given me opportunity to work in ITC Grand Bharat, India's first all-suite luxury retreat. In the time where uncertainty prevails and hospitality sector is impacted heavily, we all have to keep learning and keep finding solutions appropriately to coexist with situation, and would have to emerge stronger. Going forward, health, hygiene, safety, low touch, no touch, disinfection, and sustainability will be our key focus while keeping our luxury and warmth at highest level. Thank you so much once again, BW Hotelier team. Thank you so much.
God bless you, Praveen.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Kachru, we can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. I said I am being controlled too much by Bhuvnesh and your entire team, it seems. Okay, Praveen, many congratulations. I feel, and so does everybody in the jury feel, managing a product like ITC Grand Bharat is an institution in itself now. I mean, huge and prestigious, which has a high presence in our industry. So keeping it absolutely right and keeping your operating costs and keeping the talent and training them right has been your key credentials. Congratulations, and I'd like Jaideep to add few words.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chairman Mr. Kachru. Praveen, heartiest congratulations. Again, I think this award for all of us as jury members was one of the most difficult awards to navigate and to provide to one person. Now, why we kind of chose the two, and I will tell you, this is a great blend, Mr. Khanna, between the old and the new. On one side, when we talked about how he's been managing the old machinery and the ship and yet made it relevant. On the other hand, there is Praveen Kumar, who's basically taking this flag of ITC. And ITC as a company has taken it on its own, to create better buildings, to create green buildings. Now, if you have that kind of your strategy and your mindset and your ambition, it is so important for all the people like Praveen Kumar to walk that talk of managing a green building. And the other important thing is that this resort is spread across a very vast area of land and is close to Delhi and is an all-suite hotel, which means your clientele is the top dollar paying clientele who's very difficult, or not very easy to manage and to impress. But you've been doing phenomenally well by being the captain of the engine and running it so well. Oh, so good to see you, Praveen.
IT team has come, sir.
Praveen, I think you were waiting
Yes.
for the speech to come live. Otherwise, you'd made it a point that it has to be a radio show, so that nobody tells Bhuvnesh ji that you only did a TV show, radio was missing. But you've made it live.
It was a new laptop, and I forgot to switch on the camera from backside. It's like there's a switch behind the laptop also.
यार हमारे को ये मैं अब आके वहाँ पकड़ूंगा ITC में. अच्छा वैसा है प्रवीण मियाँ, चीफ, ये काम तुम्हारे को जरूरी सीखना पड़ेगा. अब ये ITC ग्रैंड भारत जो है, इट्स अ ह्यूज प्रॉपर्टी. ये ITC जैसे रॉयल बंगाल बनाया, ग्रैंड भारत बनाया, जाने क्या क्या बन रहा है नकुलानंद साहब और अनिल चड्डा साहब के चार्ज में. आई एम श्योर दे विल डू वेल. दे ग्रेट hoteliers, great brand, do well. You're obviously managing a large brand new ship, so your challenges are different, right? Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Thank you, Parveen. Congratulations, Parveen. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'd also like to thank our jury, Jaideep, for joining us. Thank you so much, Jaideep, for joining us today.
Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you for being there. See you next year.
Thank you.
छेती मिलने.
बिल्कुल.
So thank you, Jaideep.
Thank you.
Bye.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to call upon Sandeep Mukherjee, Director, Hospitality Techno India Group and Sister Nivedita University, Kolkata, to kindly join us. Sandeep Mukherjee, on your screen, please. Our jury, thank you. Hello, Sandeep. Thank you for joining us.
Namaskar from Kolkata.
Hi, Sandeep. बुलाओ जी आप.
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, now with Sandeep also joining us, it is now time for HR Manager of the Year. Could we have the winner, AV, please? gentlemen, HR Manager of the Year at EHA 2020 is Kanchan Chidnis from the Oberoi Mumbai and Trident Nariman Point Mumbai. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Fitness.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank the BW Hotelier and the jury for recognizing me. It's a great honor to receive such a prestigious award. I've been associated with this group for last almost 25 years. And it's a privilege to work with such an esteemed organization which has always believed in its customers and the value for its people. Over these years, I have worked with several icons in this industry, with Mr. Sanju Malhotra, Mr. Ratan Keswani, now with Mr. Devendra Bharma. They've been great coaches. They've always guided me, both in my personal life as well as my professional life. All this would not have happened if I was not guided and assisted with an efficient and dedicated HR team. Actually, they are the one who really work hard, and I'm just a showpiece on the stage. They're the great people I've really worked with. I also like to take this opportunity to thank my wife Ruta and my son Lochan, with whom I like to share this award, who have always been there with me throughout my professional career of 25 years. And HR being a very difficult profession, they were always there in my good and bad times. I'd like to thank both of them from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations. May I request our jury chair, Mr. KV Kachruji, to kindly say a few words, please.
Hi, Kanchan, congratulations for actually getting the People's Award. I call this particular vertical that without this vertical, if you don't bond with people who really matter and produce for you, you can't run the ship. As Bhunesh said earlier, it's the people, it's putting them together. And I think you have exhibited all through your career actually. And you have had, as you mentioned, great mentors, and I'm sure they had lots to contribute to it. You work for a great company, and you have exhibited the patience, the tolerance, and motivated people to really perform. And while that was one part, the second part is you have worked for developing talent of people to move up. So thank you for your contribution to the industry, and we are very pleased to really recognize your services. So Sandeep, would you like to add some more specifics?
Sandeep, requesting you to unmute yourself, please.
If you could,
Go ahead.
yeah, is it audible now?
Yeah.
The host has unmuted my. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Chairman Mr. Kachru. It's a pleasure being on with all of you, and Kanchan, it's a pleasure, handing over this. So, on behalf of the entire team that has worked to go through and sifted all the applications and all the applicants all across the nation at this point of time, and with Bhuvnesh having putting in so much of effort to get all of you HR managers having actually put in the applications from various properties, north, south, cutting east, west. It was a very, very fine race, let me tell you. But you have excelled. All of us take a bow to you and of course to your organization, without doubt. So congratulations. It's a Hoteliers Award. It's a People's Award, which actually goes to the People's Manager of the Year. That's you. You have excelled not only in doing taking care of your people, but even at this point of time during the great pandemic, you have made sure that all your training programs get rolled out well. You yourself have taken the pain to be in the hotel for a huge amount of time. I believe you have actually housed yourself within the hotel. That's what the application says. And people on the road and on the streets also, you have gone out and you have helped them, including the Bombay police, who have actually worked tirelessly. You have actually made sure that they get their meals in time. So a lot of these unsung stuff, which we won't have actually heard, it's been a learning for us. We only read what comes out in the papers, right? To a large extent that X company or Y company has done. But when we look at things like this, we feel so proud, as hoteliers. Mr. Kachru was mentioning some time back, someone said that he's an ex-hotelier, but all of us who have worked in hotels consider ourselves as hoteliers still at this point of time. And we feel so proud that a person like you have done all these things. Your attrition has been low, your training has been high, you have made sure that you actually do good work for people at this point of time. And so, congratulations. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much to our jury, Sandeep. Bhuvnesh, over to you.
Congratulations, Mr. Chitness. Great organization, great job, and a great win, right? I'm hardly anybody to add my 2 words to what the jury chair, Mr. Kachru and Sandeep have said. But, and you've also worked under the stalwarts like Ratan Keswani. I really look up to him, right? So keep doing well and see you back next year, hopefully.
Sure,
all right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much and congratulations once again.
Thank
Ladies
you.
and gentlemen, with this, I'd like to also thank Sandeep ji for joining us. Thank you for that. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, now I'd request our jury, Yatindra, Principal YS and Associate PAL, Switzerland, to kindly join us.
Hi, Yati.
Hi,
so,
Yati.
So Yati logs back in for the second time from Switzerland yesterday, and so
you and Mr. Kachru wake me up every morning.
Come on! It's hardly morning now; it's your afternoon. So Yati was here day before yesterday in India. He's back home in Switzerland now.
Mr. Kachru,
your video is off, Kachru sir.
My Wi-Fi is not as reliable, so you have to bear.
Yeah, no problem. Don't worry. No, don't worry at all. Good to see you, Yati. Always nice.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Let's get on with the awards. Bhavna, you're the master of ceremonies. Go for it.
Thank you so
Bhavna,
much.
it's only about what, half an hour left, right? After that, you can breathe again. So congratulations on an awesome job.
I want to make one announcement to everybody. You've been with us for 5 days. End of the awards function. Please stay with us. We are going to do a short 7 to 8 minute Thanksgiving for the entire BW team, which has put this entire thing. You will see what each one of them have done. Ye log hain kaun? Who are they all? I would want you to stay and put your hands together to all those people who have helped the country to put their hands together for you.
Wow.
That'll be an honor for all of us. We're there.
Thank you so much. Well said.
Okay.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we're moving to our next category, which is IT Manager of the Year. Could we have the winner, AV, please? So yes, ladies and gentlemen, IT Manager of the Year at EHA 2020, we are having Santosh Kumar Nayak, Sheraton Grand Bengaluru.
Thank you so much.
Convention. Thank you so much, Santosh. Congratulations.
Santosh, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Santosh, we'd love to hear a few words from you, please.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Khanna. You were amazing. I have been following this since day one. I love your entire presentation and how you talk. I really admire that. Please allow me to thank entire BW hotelier community and respected jury member for recognizing me for this award out of this talented lot. So thank you so much. I'm truly grateful and honored to achieve this prestigious award. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my entire Marriott IT leadership team, Mr. Mansoor Beg, who is my direct boss, and Mr. Ashish Kale, who was in the show earlier. So thank you to them and my entire IT team. Without them, it would not have been possible. So thanks to them and my GM and my entire operation team. So big thanks to them. Thank you.
Thank you so much. May I request now our jury chair, please, Mr. KV Kachruji.
Hi, Santosh. Lots of congratulations. And you know, IT is something which is evolving and changing not only every day, it's every moment. So, and you are actually competing against yourself. What you did half an hour back, things may have changed. So when the entire jury was looking into what others are doing and who are competing with you, you actually outshone them by setting up things which were really, really appreciated.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for leading your team. Thank you for making us proud in the industry of what you have done in your vertical. So,
thank you so much, sir.
You say something.
Yati, over to you, please.
Yati,
so many congratulations, Santosh. First and foremost, this is one of those jobs in our trade where people only remember you when things don't work, right?
Absolutely.
So you get cursed all the time, but you seldom get praises. So this is your moment to get that praise. And I would say you're getting it on behalf of the entire IT as well as hospitality fraternity, that you are the manager of the year. And we're extremely proud of you, and we're delighted to award this to you. Because when we looked at it, it was close, the race was close, but you were ahead. And it's maybe poetic justice that you're sitting in Bangalore, which is our IT capital. So I'm hoping that all the other cities come through in the next few years as well and beat you at your game. But this year you're a deserved winner. Many congratulations.
How well said. How well said, Yati. You know, there are very few people who can articulate better than Yati, right? So I actually could learn a hell of a lot. I mean, 10 on 10 I could learn from him. Having said that, Santosh, if the IT job, like he said, is a very, very difficult job, right? If your network would have malfunctioned, you would have been in trouble with the award, right? So good it did, right? So if the world is watching you, go and celebrate this award with your team, with your management, and more than anything else, with your immediate family.
Absolutely, sir.
All right.
It doesn't seem good, sir, when I'm here, Mr. Kachru's Wi-Fi is not working well.
No, that's okay. It happens. Even Hercules dropped it. I've said it.
See, I'm back. I think
Yeah.
you really meant to help. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Don't rub it in. These are the vagaries of time. So,
Yes.
all right. Let's you can, Santosh.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you and congratulations, Santosh.
And
also thank you so much, Yati, for joining us.
One moment.
Yes.
Wait.
Thank you, Yati.
Yati,
Thank you so much.
your participation has been between the two continents, between three cities, right? You started when you were in Switzerland. You came home to see your dad, right? Now you've gone back. We'll keep coming back to you. I lean on you.
Is it your lunchtime?
He's back.
A little later, Kachru sir. It's soon going to be a beer o'clock.
This year, Bhuvanesh has deprived of us of lunches and dinners and cocktails.
Well, if this gives you any consolation, I've had breakfast and I've only had water after that. I've not even had lunch.
And you had no sleep either for the two of you on screen.
But that's okay. Till now I've done 46 hours in the last 5 days on screen. That is without the back end. Back end is extra. And if you tell me I can do another 10 on the trot.
Okay, you can keep going, but I think we need to let Bhavna go. Yeah. Thank you very much for having me on board. See you soon.
Keep coming back.
Bye, Yati. Thank you.
See you.
Bye, Yati. Bye, Yati.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this now, I request our next jury, Anil Bhandari, former CMD, ITDC, and currently the chairman of AV Smart Concepts, to kindly join us.
Hi, Anil sir. Bhandari sir, unmute kar lo.
Yes, Mr. Bhandari.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
For inviting me to be.
This is your show.
It's a pleasure.
Pleasure, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So, ladies and gentlemen, with Mr. Bhandari joining us, let's move on to the next category, which is Procurement Manager of the Year. Could we have the winner, AV, please? Procurement Manager of the Year. Could we have the AV, please, ladies and Chairman, procurement officer 2020 is not training. JW Marriott.
Good evening, everyone.
लक्ष्य अपना पीछे आपके पीछे कोई डिवाइस,
मेरे पीछे
कोई डिवाइस
चल रही है फेसबुक? नहीं, कुछ नहीं, कोई डिवाइस नहीं।
भंडारी साहब आपके हाँ जी बोलो। हाँ जी सर।
Good evening, everyone. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal. I would like to actually thank everyone at the BW Hotelier team, the jury, and everyone who's honored me with this award. It's such a prestigious award, and it truly humbles me. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you so much.
Well, you know, आपके बगैर तो कुछ ना होटल के अंदर आएगा और ना वो यूज करने के लिए कोई आएंगे. I think your the nature of your job and keeping things under control and running a better GOP is dependent usually on somebody like you, and you have excelled within your ComSet the best, and we are very happy to recognize you for this award. I would ask Mr. Bhandari, who is a legend in our industry, and he has managed, seen, and actually marked people who have grown from nowhere to somewhere. So I think it's a pleasure for me to have Mr. Bhandari here, Anil here. I'd like him to say a few words about this.
Thank you, Kevi. Thank you, Bhuvnesh, for inviting me. Thank you, Bhavna. You're doing a great and fantastic job, Bhuvnesh. It's outstanding. This morning only I messaged to Bhuvnesh. I said, you can be a part of the Guinness Book record because the way amount of you have created. The webinar which has happened in so many number of hours and getting the entire hospitality industry together is superb, excellent. Hats off to you and to your team. All the best. So Laksh, you have done a great job. You are fantastic. We must congratulate you on this your achievement. The job of a procurement manager is a very difficult and a tedious. Reason, he has to scan the entire world and find the finest and the best material for everybody at the best price. They are the people they get involved from the day one the hotel comes under construction. They buy everything for us. They find the best of the best at the best price. And they have an eye for detail, especially at JW Marriott Calcutta, which I see the romantic hotel which you have created. Each piece of art is something outstanding. I'm sure you must have worked very hard searching for all these nice, beautiful things which are hanging around or being displayed over there. Right? Friends, as we say that the housekeepers are unsung heroes, the procurement managers who are the back of the house are the real unsung heroes. They start adding to the profits of a property from day one. They buy at the right price, that goes directly to our profits. Real compliment to all the procurement managers for the hard work they do. And thank you, Laksh. You are a super job done. You have done in your property. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all your kind words. And yes.
So Laksh, आपके ऑडियो में दिक्कत है, मैं जरा बोल लूं. हाँ, अब ऐसा है लक्ष्य, your obviously procurement is not an easy assignment, right? मुझे ये पता है, it may not be an easy assignment, पर मुझे ये पता कि 2 या 5 मिनट के अंदर तुम्हारा वीडियो बन के सर्कुलेट हो जाएगा. ये प्रोक्योरमेंट वालों की एसोसिएशन कर देगी. अभी ये HPMF और ये साले लग गए होंगे सारे के सारे, और ये छाप देंगे अभी सब जगह. सर्टिफिकेट भी छप जाएगा, सब कुछ छप जाएगा. ऑलराइट, गॉड ब्लेस यू. खूब तरक्की करो, चढ़ती कला, सरबत का
Thank you
भला.
so much
All the
and
best.
congratulations. Thank you.
All the best.
And with this, I'd also like to thank our jury, Anil Bhandari ji, for joining us. Thank you so much, Anil.
Thank you for being there, for all your blessings. For those of you who have not known Bhandari Sahab, everybody knows, but some outsiders who are watching, he's a legend. He was the chairman of ITTC. Right? Thank you for all your blessings.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
Thank you
Bhuvnesh.
so much.
Thank you, Bhavna. All the best.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, now I'd like to invite Dilip Puri, former Managing Director of Starwood Hotels and Resorts, South Asia, and currently the founder and CEO of Indian School of Hospitality, as our jury to join us.
Hi, Dilip.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
We can hear you very well.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now with everyone being in play, let's get the final two categories. The first up, I'm talking about the Front Office Manager of the Year. Could we have the winner, AJ, please? Ladies and gentlemen, Front Office Manager of the Year at EHA 2020, Swati Thakur, Taj Lands in Mumbai. Swati, heartiest congratulations.
Congratulations, Swati.
Bhavna and all the gentlemen, good evening, and thank you so much for having me here. And just a few words, I just wanted to thank everybody. This morning I was thinking about my team, और मैं सोच रही थी कहाँ तक पहुँचा दिया उन्होंने मुझे. I'm right here in front of all of you. And I just wanted to take this moment, Mr. Khanna, also to let you know your team is doing a fantastic job. And please
Yeah,
sincere
I completely agree.
Yeah. And
And Dilip's team, the ISH, the Indian School of Hospitality.
Great job, yes. We it made it so easy. And winning this award feels great. And I just wanted to thank all my family, friends, and the team member. And that's all I have to say.
Thank you so much, Swati, for that incredible note. Could I request our National Jury Chair, Mr. Kachru? So please, if we can hear a few words from you.
Kachru Sahab.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
we can.
sir.
Yeah, okay. Congratulations, Swati. I think you have been tremendous, amazing in terms of your achievements. And we were just a little while back talking about your hotel on how, with such a huge inventory, how you are managing your occupancy and RevPAR at the same time. And I think you have done a tremendous job. Congratulations. And you stood the best amongst your own comp set. And I think you must have really worked hard, your team. And I'm glad you thanked everybody who actually made you the best. And we are so happy as jury to recognize you as the Front Office Manager of the Year. So Dilip would get into specifics. He is a master of structuring and analyzing, and his team has done a fabulous job in actually presenting to all of us what actually works right and how transparent we have been able to make it this year in terms of numbers, in terms of delivery, in terms of the bottom line. And thank you once again, and congratulations, Dilip.
Thank you, Mr. Kachru. Means a lot coming from you.
Thank you, Dilip. Our jury, please.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Kachru and Bhuvnesh and Bhavna. Swati, I actually did not adjudicate your particular award. These are the last two awards, so somewhere there was a little confusion, but because ISH had done all the preliminary work, I was able to access your nomination. And I'll tell you, when we looked at the process, and even now when I look at and reflect upon your win, you presented your evidence of your performance very well. Almost all your answers were very relevant and to the point of what a jury would have liked to see. And more importantly, you were able to communicate your achievements in a very effective way. And truly, as you can appreciate, for a jury, it's not easy to judge nominees without having the foresight to be able to interview you or to even have any idea of who you are. And so when I looked at your application form, very impressed. I've always been impressed with your hotel. I've known most of your bosses who work there, and I'm sure all the leadership team in IHCL will also be very proud. You're a proud winner. So many of your colleagues and fellow sister hotels, executives and other categories have won. So good show. All the best in the rest of your career. And I really hope we'll see you as the general manager sooner rather than later. Good luck.
Thank you, Mr. Bhupander.
These are two big names talking for you, right? So all that I can say is, what is it that Taj Lands End serves all its staff that they do what they are doing and winning, right? Obviously, there's a lot of rigor going in, and you're led brilliantly by a general manager who's shining, right? So yes, maybe because he's a Delhi boy. But,
I'm doing the Delhi family thing.
Yeah. You're also from Delhi, are you?
No, sir, I'm not from Delhi.
Right. So anyway, on a lighter note, front office jobs are not easy to do.
Absolutely.
But, all right. So keep shining and do well, and keep coming back.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
God bless you. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
So,
yes, please, Bhuvnesh, you were saying something? Okay. Thank you, Swati. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we are moving to our final category today, which is Spa Manager of the Year. I now request the winner AV for Spa Manager of the Year. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we've got two winners at the Spa Manager of the Year at EHA 2020. First up, if I may request Manaswini Atitu from Mayfair Lagoon, Bhubaneswar to kindly join us. Manaswini.
Namaskar.
Congratulations. We have to hear
Congratulations, Manaswini.
Thank you so much, sir. My name is Manashwini Hathi and I lead as the Spa Manager of Mayfair Lagoon, Bhubaneswar. I would like to thank BW Hotelier for giving me this award, and I would like during these difficult times when our hotel and this industry was in a very difficult phase. So you BW Hotelier, they gave us the encouragement to they gave us the encouragement to upgrade ourselves and all. So I just want to thank the jury and the BW Hotelier for the award. And I would like to thank Mayfair also and my team for supporting me in my endeavor. Thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations. I request our jury chair, Mr. Kachruji, to say a few words.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay. Congratulations. You know, what pleases me the most as being part of the jury is I think it's very rare that this award goes to a person from a city which is not one of the large metro cities and the bigger brands and large inventories. I think where you have scored over relaxation and being system oriented is a hotel in one of the state capitals which has established a niche for itself, and you have managed to help them position at such a place that people who visit Bhubaneswar, they say they want to go to your spa for a relaxation. I think besides positioning it, you have ensured the profitability of the spa, number of people, given that you have small inventory, the number of people who visit you and experience your spa. Many congratulations. You have actually walked ahead of others, even big brands. And please congratulate your family, your team, your hotel company on our behalf. Dilip, you may like to add something.
No, I think Mr. Kachru said it all. What's most striking is, as he said, a brand which is not, let's say, a mainstream national brand in a tier 2 market, yet to kind of create the product you have with your spa. I read the interesting things you've done in preparation for reopening of your spa with all the precautions for COVID. I think from a spa perspective, that's really going to be important. But I think most importantly, you've created a whole sub-brand name and a reputation for yourself in a market like Bhubaneswar. Keep it up and good luck, and may you continue with your success.
Thank you so much.
Bhuvne?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Manaswini, I was telling somebody the other day. I mean, I really like the Mayfair Lagoon. Right? I've been there. I've stayed there for 2 or 3 nights. Mayfair actually lifts the bar. People don't even realize, because people don't go to that part of the world. Today is an occasion when people are unable to go to a Thailand or a Europe or an Australia or anywhere for a holiday. They must go and see these places. People have not even discovered Mayfair, right? I compare it with Club Med, which is an all-inclusive business, right? And it's French. They have some of the finest and the largest properties. Mayfair is a shade lower, or maybe a shade different, I should say, but as good. And being a spa manager over there is a very busy business. You must be doing extremely well. All right?
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Congratulations.
Thank you and congratulations once again. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now request the joint winner of the Spa Manager of the Year, Reena Sheth, to kindly join us from the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. Reena, congratulations. Requesting you to kindly unmute yourself, Reena.
Can't hear.
Yes, we'll just get that sorted, Reena.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Namaste, good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for this award. I'm very grateful to BW Hotelier and all the panelists who have considered my case. I'm also very thankful to my family, to my colleagues, my team members, as well as my mentors over the years. I'm truly honored to take this award back home to my hotel, the iconic Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai, whose legacy in fine living and gracious hospitality is something that all of us strive to uphold every single day. Once again, thank you, everybody.
Congratulations, Reena.
Thank you,
Reena. Yes.
Many congratulations to you. And I think as your hotel leads the way in that part of the country, I think you have done them proud and you have done a wonderful job. Congratulations for receiving and being recognized by BW this year. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's an honor.
Our jury, Dilip Puri sir, if you can say a few words, please.
Yeah, once again, I think what impressed me most was your application. That's what we had to go on. Very articulate. You presented some very strong data. What was very impressive is your guest satisfaction scores. But I think the relevance, the evidence, everything we saw in your form suggested that you're a very worthy winner of this award. Congratulations and more
Thank you
success
so
to you.
much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bhuvnesh?
Veena, first of all, you're in an iconic property, right? And the guests staying over there, visiting over there, are extremely demanding and they're like very niche. They're very upmarket, So for a loss of other words, and it's not very easy to lift your game, but. And also the competition in that catchment with the Oberois, the Trident, and all that, the Intercontinental. So, but you've won. You've obviously done quite a bit. So maybe not this life. The next life, I will come over there and use the spa.
So you should definitely come over as soon as
I need it after. I'm just seeing it's 47 hours.
I think all of you need it.
Congratulations.
Absolutely, Veena.
Hope to see all of you.
Yeah. So congratulations to Taljinder and Meher.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Reena. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we come towards the end. Bhuvnesh, we've got a jury out here, our eminent jury.
Bhuvnesh, I can't hear you at all.
मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग सुन लेना आप. अभी मैं जरा पहले दिलीप पुरी को बोल दूं, जरा ये दिलीप पुरी जाए नहीं कहीं.
I don't know if you can hear me, but I can't hear.
So Dilip Puri was one of the first people that I met. Right, I met him in his Gurgaon office. He was the managing director of Starwood. So Anirudh was there, Dilip, Anjali Mehra was there, Shudip Jain was there. So we had a meeting, and I'd come with Virat Verma. Is how I started with BW Hotelier, right? And it was just an idea then. To where we are today is testimony to whatever inputs you gave me, right? And today you share a day with me on screen along with Kachru Saab, which in the life of BW Hotelier is perhaps one of the proudest days for us all, right? It's the proudest day for BW Hotelier as a team unit in its 5th year, as we bring curtains down on the BW Indian Hospitality Summit and Awards 2020, EHA 2020. Could my master have planned for a better knowledge partner than ISH? The answer is no. I don't know what the same man up there must have been playing a game, because he was obviously playing a game with you. And I remember over a short call, Dilip telling me कि यार ये बैकएंड वाले अवार्ड्स तो हम बैकएंड पे हम क्रंच कर सकते हैं ISH में. मैंने कहा दिलीप, आई एम ऑन, आर यू ऑन? ही सेड आई एम वेरी मच ऑन. तो वो कहाँ बात निकली और कहाँ से कहाँ चली गई, वो गुलजार का शेर भूल जाता हूँ. So I will be in another slide thanking Anupam, Munisha, and that entire team, right? Be there. And Dilip, I owe you a lot. And thank you for being with me. Sorry, not me, being with us, being with BW Hotelier, being part of the jury. You toiled a lot. You spent hours even while you were in Goa. I owe you. And we are coming back to rejig this entire process for the next year. Right? Thank you again. You meant a lot for us. And ISH, may ISH go bulandiyan chue.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your kind words.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
कचरू साहब सुन पा रहे हो नहीं? मैं कचरू साहब के लिए भी बोल पाता हूँ. मैं बोल देता हूँ. बाद में सुन लेंगे. कचरू साहब, you are a father figure not just for the industry, but for BW Hotelier and for me, right? You've meant a lot. You've led us. You've blessed us. You've guided us. And thank you for graciously accepting in less than a second will you be on our jury? You said absolutely. I said but आपने jury chair करनी है, बड़ा काम है. आपने बोला यार तू शुरू कर, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ. और आपने कितना समय लगाया है, कितने घंटे लगाए हैं, कितनी मशक्कत की है. मैं आपका तहे दिल से हाथ जोड़ के दोनों आभारी हूँ कचरू साहब. कचरू साहब सुन नहीं पा रहे पर रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनेंगे. चलो भावना, everybody stay around, Dilip. We'll be doing the Thanksgiving for the entire team, right? And I shall also do a small exit speech, a Thanksgiving speech. Thank you,
Thank
Dilip.
you so much. Thank you, Dilip. Thank you, Mr. Kachru.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, now Bhuvnesh, what a spectacular 5 days this has been, and there's no person better than you right now. If you could conclude this event, what a great event.
You know, where do I start? Where do I finish? Do I start by thanking my team? Do I start by thanking the jury? Do I start by thanking the industry? Who do I thank? There are so many people. The time is short. Can you, I want to thank Amitabh Kant, sir, and Veer for doing a spectacular opening to the BW Hotelier Indian Hospitality Summit at 10 a.m. on Monday, August 31. The entire week is gone, right? I've already done 9 hours, 2 minutes, 50 seconds since I came live. I want to thank the Minister of Tourism, Shri Prahlad Singh Patel ji. I want to thank everybody on the jury, right? By name I would, but I will start with Mr. Kachru, the National Jury Chair. I've shared somebody, and then I want to thank the regional juries, led by Suresh, Farad Jamal, Apna Veer Vijay Singh, Shudip Mukherjee. On the national jury, I want to thank everybody. Right? I want to start with Kachru Saab, Rajiv Kaul, Gautam, my senior from school, Dilip Puri, Mandeep Lamba. मैं जहाँ रुक जाऊँ भाई मेरे को रिमाइंड कर देना, नहीं तो मेरे को मोबाइल निकालना पड़ेगा. अपना क्या कहते हैं, 1 सेकंड ठहर जाओ, कोई रिमाइंड तो कर दो, कोई क्यू दे दो मेरे को. देन अपना फरद जमाल, सुरेश, अपना क्या नाम है, वीर विजय सिंह, अपना शुदीप मुखर्जी, अपना जयदीप डैंग, ये सारे के सारे मेरे साथ जुड़े हैं. और कहाँ से कहाँ ले गए इस जूरी को, मेरे को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा कि मैं कैसे शुक्रिया अदा करूं इन लोगों का जिन्होंने मेरा मार्गदर्शन करवाया, मेरे को सब कराया. सारे सेशन वालों को कि भाई मैं कितना आभारी हूं इन लोगों का, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता. राजीव कौल और गौतम आज नहीं आ पाए. मैं अभी टीम से पूछूंगा क्यों नहीं आ पाए. राजीव कौल ने तो मेरे को कह दिया था कि भाई मैं आज नहीं आ पाऊंगा बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी एनरोल्ड फॉर अ योगा थिंग, सो वो उस पे हैं. हाँ, मैं यति को भूल गया, वो बेचारे को मैं वहां से पकड़ लेता हूँ, स्विट्जरलैंड से, वो लुज़ैन में है, राइट. सो अब मैं अपने स्पॉन्सर्स की भी सराहना करना चाहता हूँ कि आपका बहुत धन्यवाद है. थैंक यू सो मच ब्लू स्टार, यू सपोर्टेड अस, राइट. बीनली, I want to thank Dilip Puri. I've already thanked him, the Indian School of Hospitality. I want to thank all people who all over the time have thanked me. I have supported BW Hotelier with their advertising, all the brands, right? So let me I had asked Ajit to send me a message. Kya naam hai? I'll start with Hitachi, Daikin. वन मोमेंट अजीत, कहाँ गया तेरा मैसेज? क्या यार तू मैसेज कहाँ भेजता है, कहाँ आता है? हाँ चलो अब मैं शुरू करता हूँ. There are a whole lot of brands which have helped us. Daikin, Hitachi, Mitsubishi, Voltas, Blue Star, Green Lamp, Decowood, सारे के सारे ब्रांड्स जिन्होंने हमारे साथ एडवर्टाइजिंग की है. और मैं इसके अंदर एक और थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ टू ITC होटल्स, IHCL ताज, ओबरॉय, द लीला, लेमन ट्री, द ललित, द पार्क, प्राइड, महाराजा गद सिंह जी की इंडियन हेरिटेज होटल्स एसोसिएशन, रॉयल ऑर्किड, नीम राना अमन की मेफेयर, CGH अर्थ, द फर्न, इंडेको, ट्री ऑफ लाइफ, महाराज कुमार लक्ष्यराज सिंह जी के HRH, GRT. अब मैं विदेशी कंपनियों में आ जाऊं, इंटरनेशनल कंपनी, ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट नो वेदर आई फॉरगॉटन टू से लीला, लेमन ट्री एंड ललित, राइट? Marriott, right? Great support. Accor, huge support. All of these brands, ITC, IHCL, The Oberoi, Leela, सारों ने काफी सपोर्ट किया हमें. लेमन ट्री, ललित ने, हायत ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया, रेडिसन ने किया, IHG ने, चॉइस ने, बेस्ट वेस्टर्न ने, हिल्टन ने भी सपोर्ट किया, राइट? अब मैं चाहता हूँ वो तन्वी कोई मेरे को स्लाइड दिखा सकता है, वो जो दिखानी है, कैसे करना है बताओ. Let's start from here. And I also want to thank the team. We'll be doing a video. Now, here, I want to read out these very fine ladies and gentlemen, more ladies than gentlemen, right? Richa Sharma, you from ITC, Rakhi Lalwani, IHCL, and Kirti Dhingra along with her. Khushnuma Kapadia, right? Noel Rock, Afsha Khalfe, Silky Sehgal, Rajyasri Sen, Amisha Gudgutia, आराधना लाल, आकृति अरोड़ा, सुमिका राजपूत, कल्पना नेगी, रुचिका मेहता, प्रतिमा अरोड़ा, तहमीन मेहताब, चम परीसा दुबई में, अंकिता चोपड़ा दुबई में, रुचि कक्कड़, दिव्या आघा, अंजलि मेहरा, निधि वर्मा, गौतम मिश्रा, मनीषा शर्मा, रंजीता शॉ, अभिनंदन सैकिया, शिवाली वर्मा, प्राची चतुर्वेदी, नमिता गर्ग, कैप्टन सेतु माधवन, जसमीत चौधरी, डॉली माथुर, जगत राठौर, रणधीर विक्रम सिंह, पुष्पेंद्र सिंह, संतोष at Indeco, Selvam, Monisha Devan and Anupam have been a great support. Ladies and gentlemen, I have both my hands folded for you, all of you. I have named you. I want to do more, but for want of time, I bow my head to you. Thank you, Anurag Batra, for introducing us to Almond Vertex. You're a brilliant platform. You will go far in life. And Bhavna, you will do extremely well. You're a brilliant girl. Keep doing well.